Alright guys, it's just here right here, and I'm hitting y'all with my first POV. Of course, I'm in my Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited Edition, and yeah, I don't know much about like all that stuff y'all be talking about on y'all POVs. I don't know much about that, but I'm sure I can get into that. But like for right now, just to get this video going, I'm doing a POV. I have nowhere to go, absolutely no place in mind. It's Saturday night. I got shit to do later on, but you know, I ain't gonna be able to record all that. But for right now, let me turn this heat on real quick. So it's cold. So yeah, but anyways, like I said, it's the Rubicon Jeep. I got my purple lights in here, if y'all can see. I wanted to get stars in the ceilings, but it cost me way too much money. And I was just sitting around one day and I seen some Christmas lights, like the Halloween lights, just sitting around, and they was purple and orange. I grabbed the purple ones, I put them in here, and I'm just gonna see how this work. And I hung them up in my car, my Jeep, from corner to corner. It worked out perfect. And it may look like we very well lit up, and we are lit up, but not really, but trust me, can't nobody see inside this Jeep, so it's just us. So let me start this POV real quick. I don't want to do too much talking, because I know y'all ain't here to hear me talk. I know y'all just here to kind of ride with me, get a night ride with me in the Jeep. But I'm gonna explain this though. What made me wanting to start doing POVs is the fact that I pay way too much for this Jeep, and I gotta have fun with it. I mean, I pay too much for it to not have fun and make videos. And this video is for people who want to get a Jeep, or debating on it, or you just want to just see what you're getting before you get yourself into. This who that video for. Like, if you're looking for that Trackhawk and all that loud noise, bro, I ain't got it for you. Hopefully I have it one day, but for right now, I got this, my dream car. This my Jeep, and I do got my GoPro. I got it linked to I got it pulled up on my phone. That way I can make sure my GoPro is steady for y'all and all that good stuff. So yeah, but like I said, can't nobody see inside my Jeep. But yeah, so what I can say about this Jeep though is that, bro, I can plug my camera up, my laptop, my cell phones, my AirPods, and my GoPro all up at the same time from 5 different sources. That's how many man, my mind just went blank. that's how many outlets and plugins I have in this Jeep to do all that with. And I ain't add none of them. It came like that. So I literally got a socket in the back. Like on my way to shoots, because I do photography, on my way to video shoots or anything, if I'm running low on a battery charge, I just throw that thing back there, throw that charger on it, and just haul, and boom, and that's it. So right now we're in Carrollton. We headed to Villa Rica. I thought this would be cool to do a little nighttime POV. Yeah, I feel weird with a big ass GoPro on top of my head, but I just feel weird to myself because I just got it. I ain't like nobody could see me. They probably couldn't see me unless they was just standing in front of the Jeep, but they're not. But if I see somebody standing in front of this Jeep, I don't know what the fuck I do. But I just hope I ain't driving while they do it. And that reminds me, I want to go camping. I want to take this thing out in the field and go camping. But my biggest fear is like falling asleep. I don't want to. I want to go camping, just get the camp feel and take my ass home. But I do not want to fall asleep, because man, if I fall asleep and wake up to some BS, I don't know what's gonna happen, because my scary ass. Keep it real. I ain't ready. If I've seen too much on TV, and plus people are weird. Like, people are weird nowadays. That's sad. I go out there, I pop a tent out, I pop a fire, sit around, and we'll laugh, we'll talk. But when we get sleepy, pack that shit up. Let's go. We headed to the house. So I hope y'all can see it pretty good. I think I got my settings down packed. Anytime I purchase something, and then speaking of the GoPro, anytime I purchase anything, where I pretty much do my research on it, I learn it before I get it. So as soon as I got this GoPro, I already knew how to operate it. I already knew what settings I wanted to get. I got a 2.0 lens mod put on it. And yeah, so I already knew everything. But then look at the liquor store. Oh, I goddamn nah, I can't stop. I can't stop, but that ain't even on my to-do list for tonight. Yeah, so I already know how to pretty much work it before I got it. So little POV. Let me be quiet. I know y'all tired of hearing me talk. If y'all got any questions about a Jeep though, down in the comment, just, you know, put in the comments, and I'll try to the best of my ability to give you insight on what I know about it. But far as this Jeep, I love this Jeep. This is my baby. This my, bro, this literally, when I say my dream car, this is some shit that I done went to sleep and dreamed about. This is my dream car. I've been playing, my mama bought me a Jeep when I was a little girl, a little pink Barbie Jeep. She bought me the Barbie Jeep with no damn Barbies or nothing. I was like, what am I gonna do with this? I can't get in it. But anyway, she got me Barbie, got me Ken. Boy, I thought I was this shit, man. And, you know, I cherish that little pink Jeep. Like, so, I guess I can take it back to that. That's when I laid my eyes on what I wanted. Oh, 30 years later, bro, I got one. But yeah, I'm gonna be quiet, I promise. I ain't gonna say nothing. And if I threw a party and invited everybody you knew, thank you for being a friend. I can't play no music, y'all, so I'm bored just sitting here. I know the camera rolling though, but I'm bored sitting here. So thank you for being a friend. Saturday night, headed to Villa Rica. Just got my hair did. I was in there for about 5 hours. So when I say my ass hurts, it hurt. Yeah, so I didn't get a good charge on my GoPro because I literally just bought it. I ain't even been home and sat down yet. So I've been charging it in the car, but it's like this battery is dropping like extremely quick, you know. So I'm checking in with y'all, making sure y'all still there. And I see y'all niggas still there. I wish I could turn my music on. So let me know what y'all think. If the light's too bright, or if they ain't dark enough, or if I ain't doing something right. Like this is my first POV. Like I'm not doing what I see other people do. I'm just being myself. I'm just being myself, and I guess I get more comfortable as time goes on. This most definitely not gonna be my last. But I'm just doing what I'm just comfortable. I'm riding. Now, if I was by myself, my music would be blasting. But I'm not. Y'all with me, so I gotta respect my company. Making my way downtown. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Let me stop. Let me stop. Let me stop, man. Golly. Stop. So I guess, I mean, what y'all doing this Saturday night? What y'all got going on? What y'all got going on this Saturday night, man? I'm out here in these streets. I'm out here in these streets, man. I wonder what happened if let me see what it looked like if I turn the light out. Let me see. Can y'all? Hell nah. Hell nah. And I got the lights plugged up in the socket. Like, that's the only way. I thank God for all the power outlets that's in this bitch, because I be needing them, bro. My shit don't never be charged. I got chargers in here. I got chargers in the house for everything. But don't think you can get in my shit and just throw your shit on my charger, because it ain't for you. It's for me. Like, don't do me like that. Just because I got it don't mean you can get it. Alright, guys. Look, I'm back. I'm sorry about that last cut. I was just going to end the video there, but I ran out of battery and it stopped. It just cut off or whatever. But, I mean, girl, like I said, man, I pulled over. Like, y'all, if y'all see me right now with this damn charger hanging from my GoPro, like, y'all be like, bitch, it ain't that serious. Like, you can cut back another time. Like, but I mean, the charger pretty long, and it's like in the back seat, like in the port from the back. So, yeah, I just wanted to finish this video and finish it off right. So, let me go ahead and get on up out of here. So I don't know what I was saying before it turned off, but and I really slick didn't feel like it was gonna record while it was charging, but I mean, that's what's up. Like, sometimes I gotta let my window down before I turn, because my windows is too dark, you know. But yeah, like I said, I'm shocked that it's recording while you know what I'm saying, while on the charger, like, you know, like. But yeah, so we made it to Villa Rica. Just riding late night, Saturday drive. What is like, it's like 9 o'clock, like 9:13 to be exact. So yeah, I kind of sort of passed my house, but I wanted to finish this video, so I'm gonna go on down here. I'm gonna spin a block. When I say spin a block, I don't really mean spin a block. I mean, I'm gonna bust a U-turn on their ass, and I'm gonna bring my head back up and take my head home and call it a night. But yeah, so I mean, it's pretty much like my Jeep, man. I love it. Like, I'll buy another one. I will have 2 Jeeps at the same time, serving no absolute purpose at all to have 2. But I will have 2 at the same time. That's how much I love Jeeps. I'm in love with Jeeps now. So I've never made a U-turn right there before at all. As long as I've been 10 years, 12 years here, I've never made a U-turn. So that felt kind of weird. You look at me doing new shit with y'all. I'm showing out. I am showing out. Yeah, so crossing over 20 right now. If you know, you know. If you from Villa Rica and you know exactly where I'm at. My head is killing me. I just got my hair did. I'm not used to sitting in no chair for 5 or 6 hours. My ass hurt, my head killing me. I'm hungry. They got the food at the crib waiting on me, and I'm out here trying to get content. Fucked up. But let me pull over real quick, because I don't want to do this at my house. So I'm gonna pull over in like a little, somewhat of a lit area, and I'm gonna take this charger off this GoPro. I'm gonna see what it do, and just try to get a, you know what I'm saying, a run around of the vehicle for y'all. So I should have went to Walmart and did it, but forget it, man. Somebody gonna snatch me at Home Depot. They gonna get my ass at Home Depot, because I'm about to get out and show y'all. Man, I wish somebody would get me, or try to get me. My scary ass. But I got asthma. I bet a damn thing gonna be stopping my ass from running. For real, for real. Alright, so I unplugged it. It's still on. I'm plugging my everything dead. Everything dead. Look at my charger. Alright, so walk around. Make sure I got my car keys, because my mind is not where it's supposed to be right now. But yeah, so this is my Jeep Rubicon. Got Wrangler Unlimited right here, white. Trail rated 4x4 Rubicon with the red trim. You know what I'm saying? Got the back right here for my baby. And that's it. Let me check the front out. I got a lot of stuff I want to do to this Jeep, and it's coming over time. It's coming. It's coming. It's cold outside. And I got the red trim on the inside. I got the red stitch. I got the, hope y'all can see that. I got the red Rubicon right there. Y'all see lights in the back. It lit up back there. But look, like I said, you can't even see it. Like, for real, all you see is little purple dots. That's all you see. That is all you see. Man, I'm dropping shit. Don't let me find out I'm nervous. But all right, man, look. I'm gonna end the video right here. I want to thank y'all for watching this video. If you made it to the end, I know it wasn't interesting. I know it wasn't what you was wanting it to be. I wasn't speeding. My car wasn't making all this noise and all that. But hopefully we get to that point or whatever. But thank y'all for watching this video. Give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know. All right. Y'all have a good, safe Saturday night. I know I am. And until next time, I see y'all.